How you going? Would you like to taste some MasterChef food? Yummy lamb skewers ready.
And it was an amazing feeling because we're ahead of the blue team.
Beautiful. Cool. There you go. You're our first customer. Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, we've just had our first sale. We're ahead of the blues. All right.
Red team start cheering all of a sudden and I realise that they've made their first sale for the day. We're really behind at this point. I'm definitely regretting that we picked a dish that was so time-consuming to prepare.
I was pretty much told that I would be spruiking. I'm pretty happy with that. I don't get embarrassed easily, so rounding up people to the stall will be pretty easy.
Service at front, please.
Where I sent people over to the tent, they stood there for 4 or 5 minutes and nobody served them. It was bad. A lot of people were waiting a long time for fast food and that is not a good thing.
Didn't you say you were serving? The customers are here.
There's no food ready, mate. I'm not going to send 100 people there if there's no food. It's pointless. All it's going to do is just make them panic. So I'll just wait.
A bit disorganised, but we were the first. They tried hard.
I'm not making any excuses, but an extra pair of hands would actually be really good because people coming up to our tent and not being served, which is really unfortunate because we need the money to come in.
What's happening? You realise customers are walking out because they're not getting served? A lady was standing here for 3 minutes. No one even looked around to walk. Who's going to stay in front of us?
I'll keep an eye on it, all right?
Cool. All right, cool. Just annoying.
Gary and George came over.
Give us 2 plates of your best.
We had plenty of risotto to serve.
Would you like some extra parmesan?
Yeah, absolutely. Lovely. Thanks very much. I mean, the lamb koftas have sort of stayed together. It's nice and fresh. Nice sort of yogurt sauce there. And they put a tomato sauce on as well. I'm not sure why.
It is not nice. I mean, give that a go, Gary. It's just really doggy.
As things were moving along, Aaron's having some big issues producing the toffee.
Let's have a look at this. That's a caramel, is it? What happened there? See, it's crystallised?
Yeah.
Completely crystallised. Who's been playing around with it?
They've been moving stoves from back to front.
Oh,
so
that's not good.
I need more sugar. Well, the caramel was moved too much, so it's crystallised, so it's not fluid, so we just have to start it again.
Time on the toffee, do we know? No? It's going to be a while yet, I'm sorry, darling.
Just 1 lamb skewer, please.
And thank you for supporting the red team.
Yum! The flavour is just fantastic. It's not dry at all, and this little yogurt dressing to go with it, really delicious.
Bread stand just over there. Please. Yeah, thank you.
Our prices were $4 for each item. Their price was $6.50. We need to get almost double people to come to our store. If we see 3 people over there, we need 6. No questions, just get 6 people over to our side. Children, families, mums, grandmas, everyone.
You want to support Sydney, right? Yeah. Red team, come on, come quick, 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 quick! Run, girls, run! As fast as you can! Ah!
I just got like 50 people to come over here and they just stood there and went, keep going, keep going, keep going. So I lost everyone, so it's pointless.
Keep going right there. Thank you.
And I'm not making customers for them.
Well, Justin and I took every opportunity to get customers, and we stole quite a few of their potential customers.
You have no, don't you even think about it.
It's a competition. I don't have any issues with that whatsoever.
The red team did a really good job.
Trev's out spruiking. I saw that the red team poached a couple of hours, and I just said, hey, I've got to go out the front. I've got to help Trev. I'm happy to do that.
Hey, guys, come on in.
For the people coming in, we had to make sure they came to the blue team.
We really need your support. Come on.
And it started to kick over.
Come and try some Kofta lamb balls and lamb and skewer.
How many would you like? The red team was ahead, but we are actually starting to catch up, I think. They're not miles ahead of us like they might think they are. We're catching up. The team was becoming more and more focused, and we had the biggest comeback.
Like some extra grated cheese on top.
Yes, please.
$5, guys. That is the best serving risotto that's come out all day.
Lamb Kofta's doing really well.
Totally recommend it. Big thumbs up, 2 thumbs up.
Fine.
Aaron was getting very frustrated with not getting the toffee right. So I dragged him off that because he was really losing the plot a little bit.
Aaron, don't touch it. Leave it.
I ended up doing the toffee apples. I really didn't want us to stuff up the 3rd batch.
Success. Only half
we'll just try and roll out these toffee apples as fast as we can.
There you go, sweetheart. Sorry for the wait.
Yeah, I think we've definitely caught up. We were in a worse position before. We made the decision to switch to skewers instead of the kofta because they were time-consuming. But we sold out of all our kofta, so we made that money.
They've done the right thing. They've tried something new. They've sliced the lamb, they've marinated it, they've skewered it, and they've done what they should have done from the start, which is nice and simple, flavourful, and now they're moving.
Can I get a serve of lamb skewers with tomato sauce, please? I'll get 2 skewers.
You've eaten that yucky stuff, now come try really good.
Try some real
Come on,
good
guys.
food.
From what I've tasted today, I think the blue team have done better. Well, a little bit more expensive, but I prefer the flavour on the blue team.
$6, please.
Thank you. Are we going to get some pineapple up soon?
Yeah, here, I'm going for that now.
OK, if you do the pineapple, can you write pineapple on the board?
OK, guys, you got half an hour to go. Think about how you're going to get rid of the food.
Guys, maybe think about a fire sale, yeah? 2 for 1, half price.
Come on, support the red team. 2 for the price of 1 across the board.
All of a sudden, I hear this massive screech. It's Julie screaming to the people from her stand. She's just telling everyone to get over here, 2 for 1.
2 for the price of 1. They're delicious.
We need to pump out this food. Any money is good money at this stage.
$4 you get 2 toffee apples. $4 you get 2 lamb skewers. $4 you get 2 cheesy balls. Come on! Come on!
Do you want to start lowering it?
Yeah, 2 for 1 or what?
$3.
Ask Kate what she wants.
Katie, you happy for us to start lowering our prices?
Yes.
2 for the 1 beautiful cheesy risotto balls. 2 for the price of 1 lamb skewers with yogurt.
Come and get some lamb skewers. I'll give you a discount price. Mushroom risotto for $2.50 or lamb skewers for $2.50. How about that? OK, I'm doing discounts, mate, on the lamb skewers for these 2 lovely ladies.
$3 lamb skewers? We were behind, and we do have a challenge to win. Lucas and Trev were out spruiking $2.50 lamb on a skewer, and when they came to be served, they just magically happened to be $5. I'm not evil, I promise, I'm not. $5, please, ma'am. Thank you very much. Can we get lamb? You want yogurt or tomato? For 1 lamb, $5.
Come on, toffee apples. Delicious. Delicious.
My mate Justine came in and poached some of my customers. I wasn't happy.
I can't get aggressive, can I? Hi, guys. You don't want a risotto for $2.50, do you?
5 minutes to go. We're out of toffee apples. They're frantically putting a bit of last-minute lamb on the skewers to try and get that out. Still a few Arancini balls happening, but we're really just running it down. We've got a lot of people still there. We're just basically trying to get every last cent we can.
2 minutes to go.
$2, $1, whatever you want to pay.
Sandra risotto.
Risotto, we're out of risotto, guys.
OK, guys, you got 1 minute to go. You're down to the wire. Remember, any little bit of money helps.
I'll take $1. I'll take $1 for the pineapple. Let's go.
OK, the till closes in 30 seconds.
I'm happy that we've caught up to red team, but at the same time, I'm regretting that we didn't perform like this for the whole day.
Do we have 5 lamb skewers, guys? I've got 5.
OK, that's it. Time's up.
Gary gives us the time up. We've got 3 customers waiting to be served who have all paid. Thank God they've paid.
We can still give them their food.
They paid for this.
We did everything we could in the challenge to claw back to a respectable position. Hopefully it's enough to have stolen a victory.
All right, guys, time's up. Well done.
OK, guys, that's our last customer. Well done.
I definitely like to see red team lose. They think they wipe the floor with us, so yeah, it would be an amazing feeling to actually beat them.